Alright, it's time to unbox my Ahsoka Tano Rebel Hilts that I just got in. They are 3D printed, so let's see what they look like. Oh, how nice. I did not realize that they were already assembled, so that is a nice surprise. Oh man, so exciting. Looks like I have some sanding to do, or I might use a filler over it. Now the edges aren't high enough for that, so I will be doing some sanding, but they're very nice looking. He did a good job. I'll put the Etsy seller that I bought them from in the comments. This plastic piece doesn't seem very sturdy. I might take that out and replace that with metal. It just kind of seems a little bit flimsy, like I don't want to lose this while I'm wearing it on my armor. As you can see, it has the 3D printing lines. There's a side view and a back. Very nice. A good size too. These feel perfect for my hands, which I have kind of smaller hands. But time for some sanding and then some painting, and I will show you in another video my finished work. I figured you'd like to check these out in case you were thinking about getting some of your own Ahsoka Rebels 3D printed lightsaber hilts.